A 40-question English quiz with mixed topics and real challenges. Are you ready to try? What does "by the skin of your teeth" mean? Answer C. Just barely. What does "in the doldrums" mean? Answer A. Low spirits. Find the best synonym of brief. Answer D. Short. Choose the synonym of nervous. Answer B. Tense. Opposite of distract. Answer D. Concentrate. What is the opposite of forsake? Answer B. Retain. What is the plural of delivery? Answer C. Deliveries. What is the plural form of lady? Answer B. Ladies. Fill in the blank. Answer A. He ran so fast that he won easily. Complete the sentence. Answer B. He asked why she had arrived late for the meeting. Pick the past tense of spoil. Answer A. Spoiled. What is the past form of pay? Answer B. Paid. Choose the past form of break. Answer D. Broke. How do you spell this word? Answer C. Avenue. Pick the correct spelling. Answer C. Aromatic. What's the correct spelling? Answer B. Regenerate. What is the antonym of silent? Answer C. Vocal. Opposite of horde. Answer A. Disperse. What is the antonym of expand? Answer C. Contract. What word is closest to obscure? Answer B. Unknown. Choose the synonym for apparent. Answer D. Obvious. Find the best synonym of bag. Answer A. Sack. What does put a sock in it mean? Answer C. Be quiet. What does all mouth and no trousers mean? Answer B. Talk. What does cock and bull story mean? Answer D. Lie. What is the past form of sink? Answer C. Sank. Choose the past form of deal. Answer A. Dealt. How do you form the past of sell? Answer C. Sold. Choose the correct past form of beseech. Answer D. Besought. What is the plural of tooth? Answer B. Teeth. Choose the correct plural form of binocular. Answer C. Binoculars. Select the correct plural form of tax. Answer A. Taxes. What is the plural of tragedy? Answer D. Tragedies. Fill in the blank. Answer C. She asked if I had already finalized my report. Complete the phrase. Answer A. He worked so efficiently that we finished early. Choose the correct preposition. Answer D. They insist that the rules be applied fairly. Find the correct option. Answer A. Orientation. Which spelling is correct? Answer D. Grandiose. Which spelling is correct? Answer B. Dangerously. Spot the correct spelling. Answer C. Compare. Congratulations! You did a great job! Tell us your score in the comments. Like and subscribe for more quizzes.